In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Make.com account effortlessly. Whether you're new to Make.com or just need a refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.make.com. This is the official website of Make.com, a versatile automation platform that connects apps and designs workflows to increase your productivity and streamline your tasks. Once the page loads, take a moment to explore the clean and user-friendly interface. This homepage acts as a hub for all your automation needs. As you navigate to the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice a button labeled Login. This is your gateway to accessing your Make.com account, where all your previous workflows and automation setups reside. Go ahead and click on Login. It's the first step to reconnecting with the invaluable tools and integrations Make.com offers. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a new page presenting you with multiple sign-in options. Make.com values convenience, and to make the sign-in process seamless, they offer a Google sign-in option. On this page, look out for the Sign In with Google button. This option allows you to use your existing Google account credentials to access Make.com, eliminating the need to remember an additional username and password combination, thus simplifying your login process. Go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. If this is your first time signing in with Google, you might be prompted to choose your Google account from a list if you've signed into your browser with multiple accounts. Select the account associated with your Make.com account. By doing this, you grant permissions for Make.com to use your Google credentials to access your account settings. After selecting your Google account, you might briefly see a loading screen. This is where Make.com safely verifies your credentials. Ensuring secure access to your account is a top priority, so allow a few moments for this process to complete. Once your credentials are verified, you'll be smoothly transitioned into your Make.com dashboard. Here in your dashboard, you can begin setting up new workflows, managing existing automations, or exploring new integration possibilities. The dashboard is intuitively designed to familiarize you with all the functionalities Make.com has to offer, making it easier for you to jump right into action. Remember, these steps will not only save you time, but also simplify your future logins. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Make.com account. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and creativity that comes with the extensive tools and services that Make.com provides. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.